And I'm super excited to be showing you our newest project. It is a 54 apartment unit that we are converting to short-term rentals. We're going to give you a quick tour. Some of the work in the lobby has not been done, but you're going to get a clear picture of what we have going on here in Bogota. Here is the parking area. Let's go inside. We're here inside the lobby. As you can see, the construction is not done yet, but it will be done in a few weeks. This is the project. It's called Icon 48. This is where we are located. This is going to be the front desk. Now let me show you back here. We have 2 bathrooms, and this is going to be a co-working area for our guests to come and do some work. We also have a co-working area upstairs, and we're going to show you. Okay, we are here in the dining area. This can serve 2 purposes. It's going to serve as a breakfast area or for lunch or dinner. Follow me over here. We're creating a kitchen here. This is where our staff is going to be cooking. We have the laundry area here. This is actually going to be closed off. It's going to be for our long-term guests, but it's also going to be used by our staff to clean the linen and stuff that needs to be done here. Let's go outside and start showing you the rooms. Okay, each floor has 10 units with the exception of the 10th floor that has 4. There's 3 models in this building. I'm going to show you all 3. The first one we're going to show you is the smallest model. Let's go look at it. Welcome to our smallest unit in this building. This unit consists of a queen bed, bathroom, closet, kitchenette with 2 burners, sink, and everything you need to have a wonderful extended stay. Alright, welcome to our 1-bedroom unit. This unit consists of a bedroom, bathroom, balcony, kitchenette, refrigerator. Now, the refrigerator in this one's a little bigger than the one in the other unit. You have your desk for your workstation. Alright, welcome to our larger studio apartment. This one consists of a separate living area, the bedroom, same thing, queen bed, bathroom, closet, and this one also has the desk for your workstation. Also pay attention to the brick wall. All of these units have this brick wall. I personally love it. It gives me a European feel, but you tell me what you think. Also have something that's a luxury here in Bogota, and that is parking. We have 3 levels for parking. We have a total of 20 parking spaces.